everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video would be a quick little video, and in today's video I would be sharing all the skincare products that I recently bought from Purplle. My last video was a makeup haul and I did buy a few of the makeup products from Purplle. Along with the makeup products that I showed, I also bought a few skincare products. There are not a lot of them. I do have a few products right here in this little basket that I would be quickly sharing with you guys. Now I bought all of these products from Purplle.com. I usually do not shop from Purplle, and that is the reason the brands that are available on Purplle, I haven't tried them. Most of the products that I would be showing you in this haul are by the brand Good Vibes, which I guess is available on Purplle and maybe on Amazon as well. I am not too sure about the availability of the brand on Nykaa, but if it would be available, I would just mention it in the description box down below and you can just check it for yourself. So let's just jump into the haul. I was mentioning about the products that I bought from Good Vibes, and that is where I would be starting this particular haul. I brought two face washes from Good Vibes. This particular one is a skin clarifying purple clay face wash and it is called Brazilian Volcanic, and the other one that I have is a green tea face wash and it is just a simple purifying face wash. Now I certainly do not need two face washes. Specifically when I talked about the face wash from Mamaearth, which I am using, but the brand was on a buy one get one offer, and that is the reason I decided to try two face washes from them. Moreover, the quantity of these face washes is not a lot, so I think if I'll be using them twice a day, I can easily finish it in like 20-25 days. So yes, these are the two face washes that I bought from the brand Good Vibes. I haven't actually tried anything from the brand Good Vibes before, so I am really intrigued and excited about how would these products work for me. If you have tried the brand before, do let me know what are your product recommendations, because I would love to try new skincare products and new brands. The next product that I have is again by the brand Good Vibes, and it is their Vitamin E Depigmentation Skin Serum. Now they do have a lot of skin serums, and I honestly have tried a lot of vitamin C serums and none of them have worked for me. I have tried almost like 3 or 4 brands from which I have tried the vitamin C serums, but again, as I said, none of them worked for me, so I didn't want to go with the vitamin C facial serum. So I went ahead and bought this vitamin E serum. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet, so I'll just quickly open it and see how the actual bottle of the serum looks like. Okay, so it comes with a little dropper which is not inside the bottle. The bottle is completely sealed, and like this is how the bottle looks like, and this is the dropper. You can use the dropper with the bottle. This actually doesn't seem to be a facial serum to me. It looks more like an essential oil bottle, but again, I am glad it is like a very tiny bottle, and even if it won't suit me, I won't be very sad about wasting a lot of product. It is not actually mentioned on the box about how many times do we need to use it. The only thing that is mentioned is 2 or 3 drops of this particular serum is good for the entire face, and because it contains natural ingredients, it might not be suitable for everyone, which is scaring me a little bit because I do have a very sensitive skin and serums do not work for me. So yes, I'll try this a couple of times, and I just wish that it doesn't give me breakouts, because I honestly have a wedding to attend and I do not want breakouts on my skin. I might use this maybe next month after all the weddings that I have been invited are over, so that even if this product doesn't work for me, I do not go to the wedding with breakouts on my face. Now, because we are talking about the brand Good Vibes, I would like to include the little product that I have from Good Vibes. It is their lip scrub, and again it comes in a lot of different fragrance options, and I selected to go with the strawberry one. I was expecting this particular scrub to be a little pink or maybe red because it is a strawberry scrub, but I guess the strawberry thing is just a fragrance because the actual product doesn't look anything like strawberry. This is how the lip scrub looks like, and all of the lip scrubs, like all of the variants, actually look exactly the same apart from the fragrance. So yes, this is another thing from Good Vibes that I have bought. I have tried a lip scrub before, but that was like way too long ago, and that was from the brand Lush, which I guess makes the best lip scrubs. I really want to try the lip scrubs from Jeffree Star, but they are way too pricey, I would say. So in the future I might give it a try, but for now I am good with this particular lip scrub from Good Vibes. These were all the products that I bought from the brand Good Vibes. Now the next product that I have is again a serum sort of a thing. It is Purple's own brand's 24 karat gold oil. Again, there are a few different options available in this, but this being the gold one is a little pricey as compared to the other options that the brand have. So yes, this is how the outer packaging of this oil looks like. I do love the way the ombre goes in this. I haven't opened it, so I'll just quickly open it again. And this is how the bottle of this 24 karat oil looks like. It again seems to be like a serum to me, and I would just like to tell you that it is a glass bottle, so be really careful with this bottle, and it is pretty heavy as well. It again comes with a dropper, and as mentioned on the back of the box, only 2 to 3 drops of this product are required for the entire face. Now again, it is not mentioned that how many times a day do we need to apply this, but it is mentioned that this particular product does help in moisturizing the skin, softening the dry patches, and reducing the acne scars. Again, I'm really excited to use this particular product, but I would I guess wait another month before actually digging into this product. I'm not too sure whether you'll be able to see it in the camera or not, but I can see a little gold flakes in this particular bottle. I am seriously not sure about the fact whether they are the actual gold particles or is it something else, but it certainly looks very fascinating. Now coming to the last product of this video, the last product that I have with me is by the brand Stay Cocky, and it is one of their lip balms. I have tried liquid lipsticks from the brand, and I have also done a review video on that. If you haven't watched that and interested in knowing about the Stay Cocky liquid lipsticks, I would make sure to link that video in the description box down below so that you can easily check that video out. Now the product that I have in my hand from the brand is their lip balm, and it is in the fragrance Vanilla Lust. It is a very affordable lip balm. I guess it retails for just 99 rupees, and it does come in a lot of different fragrance options. I quickly just open it up. This is how the lip balm looks like. It is like a very average looking lip balm, and it honestly doesn't have a very strong vanilla smell. It does have a very mild smell, but because it is like a retractable lip balm like normally lip balms are, and it is very slim, it would be easy to travel with. So this was the last product that I bought as far as the skincare is concerned. If you're interested in knowing my experience about any of the product I have shown in this video, then do let me know in the comment section down below, and I would try my best to use it in all the possible ways that I can, and let you know about my experience. So that's it for today's video. If you like today's video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.